Supplementary list, item number 1 for pronouncement of order.
So you mean,
My lord.
see the court more often than not cannot deal with benevolence.
My lord, I bow down to that.
You're afraid your petition is hit by res judicata.
Yes, my lord. It's a tough case, I understood, my lord.
You had missed the bus.
My lord, my lord. Yes,
You may have a very, I mean, see, offhandedly or off the record, I would say you have a very good case,
my lord.
but then
My lord. Yes, my
not properly handled.
exactly, my lord.
Petition has not been terrible.
My lord. Bow down, my lord.
Thank you.
All right.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Your Lordship, I've taken consent of the petitioner also, Your Lordship. Let the matter come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
This is the checkgate matter at Morinkley. It can come after 1 week, Lordship.
Your Lordship, let it come up after 2 weeks. Mr. Shulaim might have some difficulty next week, Your Lordship.
Should there's some urgency because we're not able to run the checkgate now.
But there are a number of cases involving check gates.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I said there are a number of cases involving check gates.
Lordship.
Not necessarily this case, some other
Lordship,
cases.
Lordship.
Even this court, if I recall correctly, must have some. That
Lordship,
joy. Yeah.
Lordship, the district council in this matter has filed an affidavit supporting the case of the petitioner. Those other cases are totally in different facts, Lordship.
Okay.
After 1 week, Lordship, because I'm expressing some urgency, Lordship.
Personal difficulties there.
For today, perhaps, Lordship, after 1 week.
2 weeks. Ensure that matter is heard.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Positively, Lordship.
Miss Lady Director G has sought for accommodation on behalf of Mr. Indy Shulai, Learned AG, who is said to be indisposed for the day. Mr. M. L. Lumpur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has no objection to the same. You are also there?
Respondent number 6.
Mr. has appeared for respondent number 6. On premier, the same is allowed. This matter to 2 weeks.
Obliged,
No
Your
further
Lordship.
adjournments, Lordship, because after 2 weeks.
That I will not give the
Lordship.
Your Lordship, this is the first time we're taking adjournment also, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, my lord. This matter will be taken up next week, my lord. We will have some difficulty, my lord.
on premier petitioner. This is matter to 2 weeks.
From supplementary list, item number 2.
My lord, in terms of the order dated 15/5/2025, my lord, where the records were called, I had requested the court master to see, and it seems the record from the deputy
Revenue
commissioner.
Board has reached, my lord, but the deputy commissioner, it hasn't reached till now, my lord.
So we'll wait for another chance for the record to reach, and thereafter I may be allowed to inspect all the records and go through, my lord.
Mr. S. Sengupta, Leonard, additional senior G, has submitted that pursuant to this court's order dated 15/5/2025, the records calling for the relevant records, the records from the Revenue Board has since been produced for this court. However, the records from the Deputy Commissioner and the Bracket Revenue are yet to be, have not yet reached this court. It is prayed that some time may be waited for the same. As prayed for, seems allowed. This is matter after 1 week. You ensure that they are, you see, they are your officers.
I did not communicate, thinking that they know what is to be done. This time I will.
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Item number 3.
My lord, this is the VRS matter. I have already advanced my submissions. Now it is for the respondents to report.
What is this matter about?
My lord, this is about non-payment of full and final VRS benefits.
Oh, okay.
MIDC matter, Lordship.
MIDC.
Lordship, this Wayangi, the senior advocate, sits on leg before another court. So if this matter may be taken up next week, Your Lordship.
All the respondents are represented by government.
I'm for the state, Lordship, but the main respondent is MIDC.
Or separate?
Mrs. T. Youngie is representing both the MEDCL as well as the MIDC.
Okay.
The
state has got a separate stand here.
Lordship.
They have filed their affidavit, my lord. Basically, they have shifted onus, my lord. In my understanding, my lord, there is no denial of the liability, but onus is being shifted, my lord. The last affidavit filed by the state suggests that for financial constraints, the matter could not be taken up in that financial year.
Yes,
So the proposal was asked to
any possibility of a settlement or mediation or whatever?
Lordship, that has been done, my lord, and whatever the government could do, because they are not our employees, they are employees of MIDC then at that point of time, MEDCL. So, Lordship, we have done our part with regard to the financial aspects.
But who funds the MIDC?
My lord, it is the state, my lord. It is the government.
Lordship. Yes.
They have some separate budget allocation or whatever.
Lordship.
My lord, if
you see, it would be better. Of course, matter would be decided in any case. But it would be better if
the parties sit across the table, my lord. If an endeavor is made,
should have put forth that proposal. When the matter was initiated.
No, my lord, we have filed many representations.
That is, you see, that's beside the point. Because it's, you see, matter which are suitable. It's incumbent upon the court to, to encourage the parties for mediation.
But if they are willing to call us for mediation, we will.
If that proposals come from this honorable court, my lord.
Proposal will come, but it depends on the party, because we cannot force.
It's not a matter of force.
Mediation means we can't.
We are open to it, my lord.
That, maybe the parties sit across the table and see what transpires, Lordship. Maybe.
That can be done.
We'll give it a try,
my lord.
But you see, it should not take long. Maybe within a month or so,
my lord.
Maximum,
my lord.
Otherwise, we can't allow mediation to go on forever,
my lord.
But who is competent to? Mr. Abraham, are you competent? Are you
I
are you authorized? Are you
I'm a little
instructed to-
handicapped because I've never handled this brief, so I have been just instructed by the senior counsel that this is on like before another court. So this matter may be taken up next week.
No, we'll take up this matter on Monday then.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Monday, all right.
And in the meantime, you can sound out Ms. Yangi if
I'll
she's-
do that, yes, Your
she
Lordship.
can talk to her client and
My lord,
float the idea
my lord.
premiered by the parties. This is matter on Monday.
Obliged.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
Yeah.